Hey friends, welcome back. Today, I'm diving into some simple but powerful ways you can boost your farm income with livestock and allied activities. Whether you've got a small plot or a bigger patch, these steps can help you get started and grow. Let's kick off with dairy management basics. If you have cows or buffaloes, remember good milk starts with good feeding. Green fodder, dry fodder, oil cakes, bran, fresh clean water is a must. Hygiene matters too. Clean the shed daily, bathe your animals regularly, and always wash your hands before milking. Here's a tip. Always filter and chill the milk quickly after milking. Now let's talk poultry for extra income. You don't need a big investment to start backyard poultry. Just a few chicks, a small shed with good ventilation, and some basic feed. Make sure the birds have clean water and protection from predators. Go for hardy breeds like country chicken. They're easier to manage and fetch good rates in the market. Collect eggs daily and keep the coop clean. Even a handful of birds can bring in steady side income. Thinking bigger? How about fish farming? If you have a pond, you can set up aquaculture in a few steps. First, clean the pond and fill it with fresh water. Next, get healthy fingerlings, fish babies of species suited to your area. Rohu catla tilapia. Feed them regularly with rice bran or oil cake mixed with a little water. Keep an eye out for water quality. Remove weeds and make sure the water doesn't get too muddy or polluted. In about 6 months, you'll have fish ready for the local market. And don't forget beekeeping. Bees are amazing little helpers. They boost pollination in your crops, which means better yields. Plus, you get honey as a bonus. Start with a simple bee box in a shady spot near flowering plants. Don't disturb the bees too much, just check the box once in a while. Harvest honey when the boxes are full, and always use a smoker to calm the bees. Local honey sells well and is in demand for its health benefits. So whether it's milk, eggs, fish, or honey, these activities can turn your farm into a mini enterprise. Start small, learn as you go, and watch your income grow. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more tips. Happy farming!